For MS Project to know which holiday it has to count on, we will indicate them in the standard calendar. Are you going to work on the 1st of May? It's Christian from Vision 6D. For me, it's always a pleasure to share my knowledge in project management and to help you level up your skills and to help companies improve in project management. To illustrate this, I will take here the solution evaluation, which is a task that lasts 5 days, starts on the 27th of April and is planned to be finished on the 4th. Of course, this planning doesn't count on the fact that the 1st of May is a holiday. So, to tell this to MS Project, I go into the project part and change working times. I'm going to do this directly into the standard calendar, and I'm simply here inserting an exception. I'm going to entitle this Labor Day, which is the 1st of May. And I'm going simply to say here that it will start the 1st of May, and you see that MS Project automatically completed with the finish on the same date. So now I'm simply going to say OK, and you already noticed that in the Gantt chart the bar was prolonged. You see that it is 5 days still, but the finish date has been shifted by 1 day. Another point that you might have noticed is that here in the Gantt chart we had the 2 gray days for Saturday and Sunday, and now we have a grayed out day, which is the Monday, 1st of May. You have now some new knowledge. It will be a pleasure to meet you in the next module. Bye-bye.